After leaving batter to ferment overnight, circular mold is greased and filled with the batter. It is then deep fried until golden brown and cooked thoroughly.
搞嘛？写着好。来好。
The making of the street food Hello Hello involves layering ingredients like shaved ice, sweetened fruits, beans, jellies, leech flan, and evaporated milk in a bowl. A large number of dumpling wrappers are made in a short time by use of a special tool similar to shape of a glass. Before that, multiple thin sheets of dough are placed one above another and the tool is pressed against the layer to form circular wraps. To make pancake, the batter is poured onto a hot greased pan and cooked until golden brown. The pancake is flipped and cooked on the other side. It is then served hot and enjoyed. After cutting the dough into circular pieces, oil is applied evenly on the surface of each piece. A special tool is used to give design to the bread. Then the bread dough is placed directly onto the hot surface of griddle. It is cooked on one side until it forms a golden brown crust, then flipped and cooked on the other side. Ice cream in a glass enhances presentation and enjoyment. The cream is spread around the rim of the glass and then the whole glass is filled with cream. Batter is poured in a preheated and greased bubble waffle maker and cooked until golden and crispy. Skewers before BBQ can be filled with a variety of ingredients, options marinating the ingredients, adding herbs or spices, and brushing with oil for enhanced flavors. The batter is spread onto a griddle and topped with beaten eggs, seasoned and allowed to cook until set. To achieve a perfect skewering of paste, ensure that the paste is smooth and pliable. Whether it's a savory or sweet filling, stuffing adds a delicious twist to traditional bread-based dishes. Simple grilled cold noodle is made by frying an egg on grilled noodle sheet with addition of sliced green onion, crunchy red onions, cilantro and soybean chili sauce. Takoyaki is a popular Japanese street food made up of savory batter cooked in special round molds. Avocado adds a creamy, smooth texture and a subtle, buttery flavor to ice cream. Ladle pancake is prepared by dipping a ladle into a batter and then deep frying it in oil until golden and crispy. The resulting fried batter takes on a shape similar to the ladle. The batter is poured into a cloth or plastic cone with a small hole at the tip. This cook skillfully squeezes the batter in a continuous circular motion, creating multiple jalebis simultaneously, which are then fried and soaked in syrup. During packaging of cut papaya, the tray is covered with a plastic film or lid to secure the papaya and maintain its freshness. A batter made with maida should have a smooth consistency, free of lumps. It should be slightly thick but still pourable. The secret of sponginess of spongy cake lies in beaten egg whites that create air pockets, resulting in a light and airy texture loved by many. Deep fried dough sticks are a delectable treat made from a flour, water, and salt. These golden brown delights are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and often dusted with sugar. Perfectly paired with a cup of hot chocolate for a delightful indulgence. Watermelon ice cream, a delightful summer treat. The creamy base infused with the essence of juicy watermelon dances on the taste buds, releasing a burst of sweetness. Cold skin noodles is made by washing with starch to separate it into a gel-like texture and dressed with soya sauce, vinegar, garlic, chili oil, and other seasonings. Mixing fish with egg and coating with chickpea flour can create a delectable fish mixture. Dumplings should be moist and flavorful with a balance between the filling and the wrapper. Waffle makers create crispy and floppy waffles that can be topped with a variety of sweet or savory toppings, appealing to diverse tastes. An egg omelette maker with 7 compartments allows to customize each compartment with different fillings. The tastiness of bread omelette is enhanced by using a variety of flavorful ingredients such as diced vegetables, aromatic herbs, and melted cheese.